Okay, here we are. I've finally got around to doing the last of the modifications to the Tevo, the little Tarantula, and as you can see, everything's functioning nicely. Now the modifications that I've actually made on this particular unit, I've done the fang, the little tiny adjusting knobs down here. I've adjusted the bed underneath. I've got a new bed underneath, and on this side here a complete new control box with the LCD screen in it, and I've got my spool holder sitting on top there, so it all functions nicely. Okay, I've got the power turned off now, so we'll just flip this up and you can see underneath the modified bed that I've got in there. So that's that one there with the little arms on it. Now all these components were found on Thingiverse, and you can sort of do amazing things with your standard little printer, and instead of just having a one straight off the production line, so to speak, that you put together, you can take a bit of pride and joy in it and do a few modifications, and instead of just being a printer, you've actually got something that's quite usable and nice to look at. There is one that I might do yet, which is down the back here. I might put a stress relief on that, onto the heat bed, but apart from that I'm very happy. Everything's going along nicely, prints very well. For the price of it, definitely can't complain. You will of course have to spend quite a bit of time tuning it, playing with it, but once you've done all that, you've got yourself a decent little printer for hardly any money, and well worth it. But boy oh boy, it's a long hard road, trust me, and it's not a straightforward one. There are lots of little idiosyncrasies within the unit itself, and you must be very careful when you're tightening bolts on the original unit, because you can quite easily break the actual acrylic that most of the little parts are made out of. Apart from that, yep, very happy. Thanks for watching.